you are all good. So welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to discuss that how to start preparing for IELTS, like what should be our first step and go on, right? So guys, as we all know, IELTS is divided into 4 different sections, and in these 4 different sections there are different modules such as reading, listening, writing and speaking, right? So now from which module we should start and how to start over there. Okay, so I'm going to discuss each and every part, just not precisely, just from the upper you will get a rough idea like how you should start. Okay, so guys, as we all know, each and every student have their own capacity and their own mode of interest in either they have interest in reading module or the listening one. So each and every student have their different opinions for that, right? So but if I talk about in this video, I'm going to tell about my experience and with this as well I'm going to talk about other students experience as well, so that you will get like each majority of students have this experience, so I think we should go with this. Okay, so let's start this video. So students, initially I would like to tell you about listening module. Listening module is really an admirable and the easiest module students usually face. If you are good at listening, that means you are very nice in listening things and just write it down. And if you are good in hearing English and you are just good in understanding it, then definitely listening is going to be your perfect module, or you can say you can score above 7 band over it. But for that you have to practice. Okay, and how you have to practice and each and everything about listening to score good, I'll make different video for that. So we should start from listening. Now when you where to practice, like, right, from where we should practice IELTS and like listening basically. So guys, Cambridge official books are available in the market, or you can just download the PDFs from the Google. Okay, that's the easy option, or you can just have the printout of that. That will be easy option for you. Okay, now you have to do is go and search on the Google Cambridge official PDFs free download like that, and you will get from book number 1 to book number whosoever will get the latest book you will get. Okay, so like in the present scenario it is book number 15 which is available right now, but I think when I was preparing it was 15, but maybe now it can be 16 as well. Okay, because when I was preparing 16 was not in the market but in the air. Okay, I hope you get what I mean. All right, so now you can download over there and just practice hard and you will get it. Take care of one thing. Usually in each book there will be 4 tests. In each test there will be 1 listening, 1 writing, 1 speaking and 1 reading module will be there in each test. Okay, so usually students do is, let's start from listening and do each and every module of listening. No guys, you should not do this. If you will complete all tests of English, basically of listening part, then what you will do after that when you are going to check yourself, right? So either it is listening or the other modules, you should do each and every module next day. Like I have brought all my books, so from now I will start. So I will do a 1 fresh test today and next test on another day. Just calculate all your tests, number of tests and number of days you have left for your IELTS exam, and practice accordingly, so that you will complete each and every book when you will go for exam. Okay, I hope you get it. So now guys, let's move to next part, which is after listening. Think about which is the next and the easiest one. If you are good now, now you are good in listening and you will get it that how listening test is and how it's going to be. Now let's move to the speaking part. You have listened English, now you can speak it up, right? When someone asks you the question and you can answer it. Okay, so now it's the speaking part. In speaking part you will get 3 parts, first, second and third. You have to make story in the second part. There will be some question you have to answer accordingly with some set of rules, and if you want those golden rules then let me know. Because guys, in my speaking test I got 6.5 band. I know it's not too good, but I think if I had practiced for not no, for a month and then I got it, then I don't think it's a big deal, right? So you should start with it, and I will definitely share these rules. And these are the basic rules. If you'll follow this, then you'll get good marks. If you'll follow this precisely, like very nicely, then definitely you can score 7+ band. So rule is same for all. Rule is same. Each and every institution have their own rules. But if I talk about my one, then these are really nice. I could recommend you. Okay, I will make a separate video for that. Now let's talk about the next module, which is writing part. Now writing, we all have a keen interest in writing. Just write something about, either it's a story or just making a story in our own mind and just write it down. Like I had a keen interest over there. Now let's talk about you. So in writing part, there will be two tasks, like task 1 and task 2. In the task 1, you will get bar chart and the other bar graphs type. That means you will get data and you have to just elaborate it in your own words. Okay, so you have to do like this. So I'll make a separate video for that, how you can do this. Okay, just go and watch it out. Okay, now let's move to the next part, which is reading. Obviously majority of students face some trouble in reading. Okay, because we can say it is because of their timing, it is because of the rule, because there will be 3 passages and the 40 questions which you have to answer in an hour. That means if I roughly make an idea, then you have to spend 20 minutes on each module. And on the initial stages of your preparation of files, basically of reading, you can face some trouble, but it is not a big deal. Each and every student just have a command over there and they just clear the exam, so you need not to worry about it. Okay, so it is also the easiest parts, and if you still facing trouble in it, then I will share amazing trick for that. Okay, but you have to do one thing. You have to go and subscribe the channel, and if you are still liking the video, just give a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit the notification button. All right guys, now I have told you like from where to start and so on. Now let me give you some tips and tricks related to each module. Okay, we all are fond of watching movies or the series, basically the Hollywood one. Yeah, we some of us like Bollywood as well, Tollywood as well, but Hollywood have their own pace, right? So if you have such keen interest, then you can go with that. Like if you will watch a Hollywood movie or a series, you what are the benefits will be there? Okay, let's discuss first this. Like I'm watching a web series of Hollywood. Okay, now they will speak in English, right? I'm not able to understand that, so I will switch on the subtitles. Okay, or we can say captions. When I switch on the captions, there will be written script will be there, which I can read out, right? The actor or the whatever the in the series were, they will speak out something, they will, and I will get that in the written form in front of me, right? in this way in this way I can improve my English. So guys, this is the way which I'm telling you, or the secret tip for listening. Like initially you should go with the subtitles if you're not able to understand it, but yes, later on, like I'm done with one movie now, so what should I do? Because I have read all subtitles, I know the story, but what next? Watch the movie again, but now this time without subtitles. If you're not getting the movie, then switch it more to the lowest speed, not the lowest, just a one or the normal to different one. Change the speed of the video. Okay, then they will speak slowly, and when they'll speak slowly, you will get it. You will see, like we say, how are you going, or where are you going, how are you, right? But we'll just clearly say how are you, but they say where you, right? They talk like this. So how we will get that? Because in your listening part, I know you will not get this kind of phrases, but yes, when they say classes, you have to write classes. If you write class, then your marks will be deducted. Okay, so this is a second tip for you. If you are listening in audio in the listening part and they have given you the answer classes, okay, classes, that means S in the last. But in my answering module, in my answers, I wrote CLASS, not the classes one or the plural part of the class. Okay, so my mark will be deducted for sure. Even if I have misspelled the word or my spelling is not correct, then they will deduct my mark. So you should be precise in your spellings, and whatever you are listening, you should write that exactly. Okay, I hope you get it. Now these were the some tricks for your listening module. Let's come to speaking part. If you want to know about this, like majority of students have trouble in from where we get our data, we are not able to think over there, like from where we should make a story, right? People have doubt over this. So you can do one thing, just write the question, like whatever question you get, write it on the internet or the Google part and just search it, and you will get some marvelous examples, or I'll say answers in your of your same questions beautifully. Like the answers will be really nice. You can go with that, read out the answers and think, you have made this story and they have made this story. Compare your stories and think what band you will get if you make this story. So convert your own quality, or by this method you can enhance your quality. Okay, now let you have find out this data on the internet, right, of your question, whatever your question will be in speaking part, right? So now highlight the important words, whatever you got, okay, the important vocabularies you got, interesting vocabularies you got, and just mark those and write down on your notebook and learn it every day, revise it every day. And by this way your speaking stories, basically stories which we have to answer in the speaking part, your stories will be gathered, or you can make an instant story when the examiner will ask you, right? As well as when you underline the words or you just learn or revise those words, you will have a great vocabulary, right? There will be two benefits of it. You can do this thing. Now let's move to the another part, which is your writing section. For writing section, firstly do everything for yourself. Like you have to do once for yourself, either it's writing or it's speaking part. Firstly give your own answer, okay? Like they have examiner have this question, then you answer yourself like this is my answer, okay? Like when you're practicing at your home, right? So this is your answer. Then search it on Google and get the answer, get different answers on from different websites you will get. So now compare yourself and mark some important words again, so you will get an amazing vocabulary in for writing as well. Make sure in writing there are some vocabularies which are quite different as compared to speaking part. I will clear you in your different videos for each and every module in that. So I hope you get this, but I have still a trick and some important vocabularies I will definitely share with you, which is really marvelous for your writing section and some for your speaking part. Okay, and we will discuss rule as well, so don't forget to subscribe because you will get amazing videos over there. Okay, now let's move to the next part, which is left, that is your reading part. As I've told you, some people face trouble in it, right? So today I have read this chapter or this test, basically I will say. Okay, so for passage 1 I scored like I have given you a rough idea in the previous video. Like there will be 13 questions, okay, in your reading part, right? So if you have attempted 10 questions and out of 10 questions your 7 questions are correct, okay, in the meantime, in the given time you have corrected 7 questions. What about those 3 and the left 3 questions which you haven't just attempted, right? So what you have to do is, now you have attempted these questions, attempt these again without answering your question or without checking your answer whether they are correct or not. Just place that answer sheet aside and do the test same again. I know it's really hard to do same test again without checking your answer. Means you have an anxiety, like whether my answers will be correct or not, whether answer which I am just pointing right now is correct or that one is correct. Okay, but think you're doing it again but separately, means you haven't attempted it again. Okay, just think about like that, and then attempt your passage again and then write your answer. You will see there will be some answers which will be wrong in previous one, but now they are correct. Why it is? Because now you are understanding the passage. Previously you hadn't got the point because that was your first try to that passage, but now you are trying it again, so definitely you will make it's nice conversion into your own language. Okay, I hope you get it. If not, then don't worry, I will make a separate video for each and you will get it. Okay, so guys, this was my video and I hope you loved it. If you loved, just show your love and affection by the number of subscribers and the likes as well. Share your experience with this video in the comment section, and when I read the comments, it really gives a nice feeling. It gives a feeling that make another video for these, for them, for you, right? So give me that kind of feeling, I will really love it. If you have an important message for me and you really want that only I'll see that message, that means you want to ask something that can be your personal question, right? Like related to your marks or related to this stream, basically IELTS. If you want to ask, then you can go with my Gmail as well, which is already mentioned in my YouTube, or you can go to my Instagram and then you can get my email there. But just message over email, because email is the part where I just keep my professional work. Okay, so keep going, keep growing, and score best in IELTS. Okay, I'll do my best, you have to do your best so that we can say we did best. Bye bye, take care.